Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I got a little quick tip for you today. If you're like me and you live out here in the desert and you do a lot of off-roading, you'll know there's a lot of dust, and that dust can get in your radiator and cause it to warm up a little bit. Maybe not overheat, but it'll start running warmer than normal. So your quick tip for today, and you can do this with any off-road vehicle, and it seems to help me. But what I'll do is go to a local hardware store, get me a can of coil cleaner, and I'll take off the front grill and spray down the grill, get it all nice and foamy in there, and rinse it all out. And when I rinse it out, I just use one of these hoses and I have it set on shower mode. And that's because you don't want to bend any of these coil fins. So I just use the shower mode portion and just to rinse it all off. But you take this coil cleaner right here, any hardware store, spray it on there, gets all nice and foamy, and I just leave it sit for about 5 minutes or so, and then I'll rinse it off and repeat, and I'll do this probably about 3 times. And I've already done it, so I can cut down on the time on this video. But as you can see, if you look here on the ground, I hope you can see this. Look at all this dirt and sand. It's just, you see it. So all that dust and dirt is what came out of my radiator. I think you can see that right there. I got the sun shining on the phone, so. But it gets it nice and clean, helps maintain the performance of the cooling system, and that's my tip for today. So I hope you enjoyed this. Again, coil cleaner, local hardware store, and spray it on there, soak it, rinse, and put the grill back on. You'll be all done. All right, so have a nice day. Thank you.